Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. I am Sierra and today I'm going to teach you how to use the offset feature in Design Space. Cricut launched this a couple months ago, and basically what it is, it's an outlining tool to help you create stickers and layers for images. So I have two images here that I want to show you for very specific reasons. We have two different ones. So each are very summary, and one has very curvy lines, the other has some pointy lines. So each one has different layers already, as you can see. These different layers would be cut if I was to just go ahead and cut them now. But we don't want to do that. We want to create summary stickers. So I'm going to go over here to the offset tool up in the top left-hand corner. And you see that it already has a preset for you right here. It's 0.25 inches is the preset. And it has corner curves or corner angle pointy, I guess is what I would call that. For the popsicles, I like the curve a little bit more. And you have your distance. You can go inward, which I'm not entirely sure why that's there, but then it creates a whole big fat jumbled mess. So we're just going to go back to 0.25. Oh, wait. 0.25. Put it back. And you can go all the way. You can make it bigger. I like the 0.25 for this one. Sometimes you need it bigger, sometimes you need it smaller. You can even go to 0.20. Here you go. And then weld offsets. I'm going to show you what that is on the pineapple here in a second. So you're just going to go over to apply. And then there you go. You have your offset. Now we'll do the pineapple one and then I'll go back and show you this. So there's the pineapple offset. Now, once it loads, you see that it's all very curvy, very put together, no overing, I just made up a word, overlapping. If you remove weld offsets, what that does is you'll see right there how it has overlapping. The reason for this is because you have a layered image. So the offsets are trying to go based on each layer, where if you have the weld, it welds it all as one, and then it creates that smooth outlining feature. Any moment, there we go. And then the angles, you can see here, the edge. If you want it to be more like the pineapple outline, this is what you would do. But let's change that back to 0.5. Oops. 0.25. And you have more of a pineapple outline. See? Or you could do more curved. I like the curvy look just because it looks clean. Once that loads, we're going to hit apply. Now, if you are creating stickers and you don't want it to have a black outline, you'll just click on that outline, go over to your colors and select white. Same thing with the pineapple. You'll select white. Now, if you go over to make it right now, before you do anything else, it's going to automatically cut it all into layers. See, you've got your white, your brown, your green, your orange, your yellow, all that. We don't want that. We want stickers. So you're going to select your whole image, go over down here to flatten. Flatten it. Same thing with this one. Flatten. And then go over to make it. It'll go to a print then cut. And now when you go to print then cut it, you're going to print it. And then when you cut it, it's only going to cut out that offset. So around the image, it's not going to go through all these little pieces and parts. That's really it. That's how you use the offset tool. Super simple, super easy. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. well, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and keep watching for more easy tutorials in Design Space and other crafts. Till next time, we'll see you later.